Hello, my name is Marinela Jaime, estoy en Inglés B2, mi tutor es Johnny Galeano. Positive and negative effects of technology on the environment. First, I want to say that technology in general is the cause of various problems in the ecosystem. It is polluting our basic resources such as soil, water, and air, causing global warming and that sometimes scarcity of natural resources. But it is also dedicated to solving this problem, since there is environmental technology which is being implemented in the economic, transport, energy, industrial, and agriculture sector. From my point of view, it is difficult to be optimistic about the futures on the planet instead of a climate emergency. Global warming is causing environmental damage, especially affects countries where poverty is growing. I believe that we should become aware on the problem in which the planet is the scarcity of natural resources is increasing. And if people do not change their habits, there will be no futures. Thank you.